In a dramatic show of defiance, protesters set fire to campaign materials bearing President Emerson Mnangagwa's image, including t-shirts and scarves, calling for his immediate resignation. The fiery demonstrations come at a time of mounting public dissatisfaction and growing public unrest. Zambira mashuka tuna kuti aiwa miitiro yemakampeini panguva ino yopisiwa yoonekwa nemapicha angane mutungamiri wenyika zvashamisa vanhu. Zambira mashuka mudanyorwa panapa noti subscribe like on the bell icon. Timuna zimba mudanyorwa chiti the banning of the ruling party's regalia captured in viral images and videos symbolized a powerful rejection of Mnangagwa's leadership. Protesters, frustrated by economic hardship and governance concerns, used the act as a statement of discontent, signaling a sudden loss of popular support for Mnangagwa. This unrest coincided with the visibly poor turnout at the National Heroes Acre on Monday morning, where Mnangagwa had been expected to address the nation. By 9:30 a.m., footage from the National Burial Shrine showed empty terraces, an unusual sight for an event that traditionally attracts large crowds. A collage of scenes, Heroes Acre in Harare plus burning of scarves outside at 9 a.m. Mnangagwa's presidency has been made by economic struggles, allegations of corruption, and growing opposition pressure. With political tensions escalating, the government's response to these acts of defiance remain to be seen. Authorities are expected to investigate the protests, while opposition groups continue to rally against Mnangagwa's rule. Ndomashukwa nobudanyorwa panapa tikuona kuti panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika ari panguva yakaoma atikuona kuti vanhu vari kumurejecta tichiona kuti material vakomana yange yasetwa aside chinzi ndemacampaigns panapa mascarfs nemat-shirts opisiwa anoda kuti angane picha yemutungamiri wenyika. Bodza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.